If we're going to solve by quadratic formula, we need to get everything on one side. It doesn't matter what side we put everything on when we do quadratic formula, but I like to make sure that the x squared term is positive. So right now it's negative on this side. So let's move it over here to make it positive. That means we also will move the 6x over. So when we do that, x squared, negative x squared, will become positive x squared. 6x becomes negative. And then you still have the positive 8 that stays over there on the left side. So now a is 1. B is negative 6. C is 8. And we're going to plug all this stuff in right here. So we have negative b. Well, b is already negative 6. So it's going to turn it into a positive 6. Plus minus the square root. B squared, that's negative 6 squared. So that would be 36. And then minus 4. And now we have a times c. Well, a is 1 and c is 8, so 1 times 8 is 8. And all of that is over 2 times a. 2 times 1 is 2. So now we have 6. And we're going to write out what we have in our square root. Remember, all this is over 2. We have to multiply here before we subtract. So I'm just going to write 36. And we have 1 negative, so we're going to subtract. And then 4 times 8 is 32. I'm going to bring it over here. Plus minus square root. 36 minus 32 is 4. All that's over 2. You have 6 plus minus square root of 4 is 2. All that's over 2. Now we're going to break this up. 6 plus 2. And divide by 2. And we're going to have 6 minus 2. Divide by 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Divide by 2, you get 4. That's one solution. 6 minus 2 is 4. Divide by 2, and you get 2, and that's the other solution. So your two solutions are x equals 4 and x equals 2.